In recent weeks, whispers of a new addition to Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup have captured the attention of tech enthusiasts. A fourth variant, reportedly called the Galaxy S25 Slim, has surfaced, and its rumored specifications are turning heads. Could this be the most innovative Galaxy device yet, or are these specs just too good to be true? Let's dive into the details. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature a 6.66-inch screen, similar in size to the Galaxy S25 Plus. But that's where the similarities end. Samsung is reportedly equipping the S25 Slim with a 200-megapixel primary camera powered by the ISGOL HP5 sensor. It doesn't stop there. There's also a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom, both utilizing the ISGOL JN5 sensor. These camera specifications align closely with Samsung's premium offerings, hinting at a flagship-level photography experience. Powering the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the same processor expected in the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. This ensures the device delivers top-tier performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or capturing high-resolution photos. Battery life reports suggest a capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh for an ultra-thin device. This is impressive, especially if Samsung incorporates lithium silicon battery technology, which allows for higher energy density in smaller sizes. Here's where the S25 Slim really lives up to its name. Leaks suggest the device could measure under 7 mm thick, making it significantly thinner than the Galaxy S24 series, where the thinnest model measures 7.6 mm. For comparison, the rumored iPhone 17 Air is expected to be just 6 mm thin, but achieving such sleekness often comes with trade-offs. Will the Galaxy S25 Slim maintain durability, camera quality, and battery life while being this thin? That's the million-dollar question. Historically, ultra-thin smartphones have made sacrifices: smaller batteries, downgraded cameras, or reduced durability. However, Samsung appears poised to break this trend with the Galaxy S25 Slim. If the rumors of a 200-megapixel ultra camera and flagship features are true, the S25 Slim could redefine expectations for slim devices. Notably, this phone is expected to target users who want flagship-grade performance in cameras without the additional bulk or features like the S Pen, which is a signature element of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Slim, with the model number SMS937X, is rumored to launch in the second quarter of 2025, possibly alongside some Galaxy A series phones. Samsung's official unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series is expected on January 22, and we may learn more details about this device during that event. While the specs are undoubtedly exciting, there are still questions about how Samsung will integrate such advanced features into an ultra-slim form factor. Will the camera system truly deliver flagship-level results? Can the device's battery meet user expectations? And importantly, will the design compromises affect its durability? One thing is certain: Samsung is not afraid to push boundaries. The Galaxy S25 Slim is shaping up to be a fashion statement in the smartphone world. Sleek, pocketable, and oozing class, this device might attract a niche audience while setting a new standard for minimalistic design. Samsung is clearly aiming for more than just a design experiment here. With a rumored ultra camera, the S25 Slim could be a well-rounded offering that combines aesthetics with functionality. For now, the Galaxy S25 Slim remains shrouded in mystery. But if the leaks hold true, this could be a game-changer for ultra-thin smartphones. As we get closer to the Galaxy S25's official launch, we'll undoubtedly learn more. Will the Galaxy S25 Slim deliver on its promises, or will it succumb to the usual compromises of ultra-thin devices? Time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover the truth about Samsung's boldest smartphone yet.